TES, we are committed to provide world-class environmental services to our community. We live here, we want to treat it right. So we are constantly trying to do the right thing. We're trying to innovate, to find better ways, more effective ways to do things, to help our environment keep it cleaner, and to recover whatever can be recovered.
Whether it's on the industrial side or the solid waste side, we're always looking at new ways of diverting material from the landfill, reuse, recycle whenever possible.
Inside of the Ottawa market, there's approximately 250,000 tons a year of this sort of material that goes into landfills.
We have our operation at Spring Hill. Now we've got a second plant here, state of the art. And yeah, we're miles away from our competitors when it comes to this technology.
This C&D plant that we just developed, we could do 50 tons an hour up to 500 tons a day, which will give us approximately at the end of the year 150,000 tons of diversion of C&D. Right now we capture over at Spring Hill, we capture 52,000 tons. So ultimately we're pretty well set up that we can capture most of a good portion of all the C&D that's produced in the city of Ottawa per year. We do a source separation where we take out the white wood, which is all clean cuts of wood. We grind that down and we actually make it into an animal bedding. We then pull out the cardboard as well, which will go to our MRF for baling and reuse. The rock is source separated out and crushed and made into road building material. The steel goes to a render company, AIM, and they recycle it there. Drywall's captured, it's actually sent to gypsum. Plastics go over to the MRF as well. So basically everything that we come through, and we're developing more and more end markets with all the products that we have coming through. We're basically finding homes for everything, so its final home isn't a landfill, it's actually a reusable product.
Over the years we've added many different new technologies to our plants here, and right now we're able to achieve an 80% diversion rate.
You definitely need to work as a team. Everybody has a different job. Each person has a different piece of equipment. If something breaks down, each person goes and does their job accordingly.
We divert approximately 95% of all material that comes into this facility.
We separate the paper and the cans and bottles into different grades. The grades have to meet a standard to be marketed, and the quality of the material is vital. If the quality is no good, even on one bale, a whole load can be rejected. We're part of the LEED program. LEED is an environmental design certification. So we have a lot of builders that want their material to be recycled and they want to receive certification for having recycled their material. They can dump here and it will be recycled according to the LEED certification standard.
We have used Tomlinson for many years for our waste disposal, and to have a facility like this in Ottawa really is beneficial for a company like ours who strive on meeting those requirements and doing LEED projects. You can get waste reports from other suppliers, but are they actually diverting and recycling the material? Where here we can see what is actually happening and ensuring that it is actually being completed.
The Ministry of Environment in the province of Ontario, they have big initiatives, Waste Free Act, these things that are coming down the line. They call it their circular economy, and it's material that's in our what we consider waste that can be reused, repurposed.
We're evolving into all different types of environmental, where we're doing waste cleanup, we're doing curbside, we're doing front end load, roll-off trucks, we have vac trucks, we do liquid waste, we do just about anything that to do with the environment we're starting to get into, and it's becoming a big part of our company.
Basically, we've set the bar for the industry, so there's no one else that does such a service as we do here in Ottawa, or Eastern Ontario for that fact.